Welcome viewers and subscribers. So I'm coming to you from another location, a different location. I'm presently in my country, Jamaica. So I'm going to share with you this infrastructure project. As I said to you before, I am a big infrastructure guy. I've worked on several infrastructure projects in Jamaica while I was working for the Ministry of Construction and Works or the Ministry of Local Government and Works, or presently the National Works Agency. So this project is the Melrose bypass, the WilliamsField leg, and it is going at a cost of several billions. I'm not 100% sure. So I used to work on this project when the Melrose bypass was going on during the 1990s. I think it was from 1997 through to 1998. I was a junior works overseer at the time. So I worked on this project back in 1997, 98. Not very long, I think a short period of time. So I'm just going to bring you this video and you can see what the infrastructure project is like as it relates to the Melrose bypass, the Williamsfield leg. So as usual, I want you to watch the video until the end. If you're a new time viewer of this channel, you know what to do already. Subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment. So watch this video. Okay? Thank you.
So folks, I'm now visiting the road project. This is the Melrose bypass Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. So this Melrose bypass here I think was done in somewhere in the region of 1997 to 1998, and I was one of the overseer on this project back in the 90s when I was working with the Ministry of Construction and Works. I didn't work long on this project. I was a junior works overseer at the time, working on this Melrose bypass here back in the 90s. So I worked on this project, not for very long though, and on and off. I was stationed at the Mandeville Ministry of Construction and Works, or Ministry of Local Government and Works. So I did work on this project here. So I'm just going to show to you, as I said to you before, I'm a big infrastructure guy. So this is the Melrose bypass, the WilliamsField leg. So I'm going to show you a little bit of it. I couldn't let this pass me. So in the meantime, you can look at the beautiful houses up on the hillside. Yeah, this is how beautiful our little island is. You know what I mean? You're not gonna know how beautiful our island is until you go elsewhere and see. So that structure there that we're looking at is the underpass for the bridge for the train. So I'm going to show you when I get down there. So the road, so all they're going to look at here is structural backfill. So the road is going to be on top of that structure you're seeing there, and it's going to veer to the right and go right into the WilliamsField roundabout there. So yeah, so I love these type of work, you know what I mean? Way more than building. So I couldn't be in Jamaica and don't show you some of these infrastructure project here. Yeah, so what you're looking at now is the structure there. So the road is going to go on top of that. So all I'm standing here now is going to be structural backfill. So Yeah. Let me hear some voice, you know. Yeah. Morning, what going there? Mas, how you call me? You look familiar to me, you know. Yeah, man, you look familiar to me, man. You just look and see what going there. So, the train station, this is the old underpass train station. Yeah. So so this structure here is gonna be joined to that or abut to that so the train can pass under. So all of this is gonna be structural backfill and the road is gonna go on top of that. So there's a lot of backfill, a lot of structural backfill. So all this area is gonna be filled. Yeah. I think I'm gonna show you one of my bridge plan there. Yeah. Yeah, security. Yeah, man, I do a little video. Yeah. No, oh, you know, you're nice. You can't take it out. That building, in the 90s, I was one of the works overseer on it, When Public Works did I do it? 97, 98. Ben was bypass. He was one of the overseer on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so yeah, man. Didn't work about a week or a couple of days, So I'm gonna show you some more. As much as I can show you, you know what I mean? You can look at the surroundings too. Beautiful mountainous areas. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Jamaica vibes, But them little island still, I hear people talk about crime and violence. I don't know when Jamaica never have a crime problem. Probably must say in the 1950s or 60s, but from me know myself, especially from 1990 come onwards, Jamaica has been suffering from a chronic crime problem. So this crime situation that we have in Jamaica presently is that since this year or since last year, every year we murder over 1,000 people, and we only have probably less than 3 million people. So yes, per capita you would say that we rank about third or fourth in the world, but you know what I mean, crime happens everywhere. You see all those mass shooting in America, shooting up schools and shooting up supermarket, killing black people. So yeah, so you just have to live here, man. And anywhere you go, you gotta have something. deal with. Crime there all over the world now, man. I mean, I make nobody tell me nothing, say, you know, if you try to come back home in my yard. Yes, brother. So when this project is finished, it's going to be a 4-lane highway. 2 lanes going in one direction. I think it's a east-west direction, and I think 1 lane is going east, 1 lane is going west. Don't quote me on that because I don't even. I think north is back that way, south is back that way. I think west is back that way, so east. So I'm not 100% sure, but I know that based on my information, it's going to be a 4-leg highway. So we have 2 lanes going in one direction and 2 lanes going in the opposite direction. Yeah. Yeah. So this is I'm not sure about the cost for this project. You know what I mean? Well, if I want to know the cost, I can easily find that out. I have a lot of friends that still works with the National Works Agency, and I know people in high places there. I can easily just reach out to them and ask them to give me that information. But I don't think I'm going to have time to do that. So probably you're going to see more than one infrastructure projects. So I've said to you before, I'm a big infrastructure person. I like road construction. Matter of fact, I have far more experience in road construction than buildings. So I just focus on building from an architectural standpoint. I don't really work on building. One or few of them I might just set it up, set out the site, you know what I mean, and then I do periodic checks. But I didn't run a building site before, but I run a number of road projects, especially in 2011 when we have the Jamaica Development Infrastructure Program. So over on the other side, I was told that it's going to merge with this side, and the existing road structure is going to be filled. So the existing road structure is going to be filled, and over on the other side is going to merge with this side as well. So you can follow other YouTubers. Other YouTubers come here very regularly and do videos, so you can see, you can keep tuned to those YouTubers, and you can find out how what the project is going to look like at the end of it all. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm not gonna go as far. I'm walking. I'm not driving. I do have a drone. If I had a drone, I could give you a more overview, further distance, to show you the entire picture from above. So as you can see here, this embankment is being broken down. It's been graded down. I think that is probably at a slope at about 45 degrees, because for your embankment to be stable, your angle of repose cannot be more than 45 degrees for it to be stable, for it to establish stability. If you go more than that, although this embankment looks a bit rocky, so there's not going to be much side erosion. So I guess they're going to put some form of decorative concrete structure on the embankment just to keep it intact. But it looks like milestone to me, so it's not going to easily broken down. All right, so yeah. So I think on that side, I'm not sure it's going to merge with this side, and in between you can see the existing road structure. I think based on my information, I spoke to a gentleman, I think yesterday morning, and he told me that the existing road structure is going to be filled. So I don't know that for sure. I've not looked at the plans, so I am not sure. And one side of this road is currently closed. Traffic is only allowed in one direction. So I think the direction going towards the Melrose roundabout from Porus, I think that is open, but you can't leave from Melrose roundabout to Porus. But from Porus to Manville, it's open. So currently the site is only open to one direction of vehicular traffic. Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm going to be closing off with this video soon, because I don't think I can walk the entire project all the way down to Porus end. I'm just showing you, you know what I mean, just a little overview. And if you look, you can look on the mountainous area. It looks like the land of Jamaica before it was inhabited by people. Used to have a lot of volcanic activity because it's very, very mountainous. And we know that from geology, mountain is formed from volcanic activity. So probably during the Jurassic period or the Paleozoic period, those are some geological terms that I used to learn when I was doing geology in college, earth geology. Yeah, it looked like Jamaica was a highly volcanic island. I think the island was formed by volcanic activities too. So I was told, I'm not sure, that the island of Jamaica is probably around 1,000,000 years old. I'm not sure that, but I was told that by a geologist. I asked a particular question, so I don't know. So who want to believe can believe, who want to disagree can disagree. But yeah, Jamaica is very hilly. So even though we have 4,200 square miles, you could virtually double that, because we have a lot of hills and we do have a lot of people that lives in the hill. If you look on the hills over there, you can see a lot of houses on top of those hills. Yeah. Right. So I'm gonna stop this video here now. Yes, I'm gonna stop this video now. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm just giving you a different taste, you know what I mean? I'm gonna see if I can visit other infrastructure sites, road infrastructure sites, and bring to you, my viewers and my subscribers. So enough respect, and I'm gonna catch you in another video upload. Thank you.